Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. In 2025, selling ebooks is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make passive income, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Stick around because in just a few minutes, you'll discover step by step how to turn your knowledge into cash. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting and super profitable way to make money online in 2025 as selling ebooks. Whether you're an expert in a particular field, a creative writer, or someone with a hobby or passion you want to share, you can turn your ideas into income. So grab your notepad and get ready to learn exactly how to sell ebooks and make money doing it. Let's jump right in. 1. Why selling ebooks in 2025 is a smart move now, you might be wondering. Why ebooks? Well, the digital world has exploded in recent years, and people are consuming content faster than ever before. Everyone is busy and looking for knowledge they can access on the go. Plus, ebooks are low cost to produce, require no inventory, and can be sold 24/7 worldwide. In 2025, it's easier than ever to get your ebook into the hands of readers, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Let's break it down. Part 2. Step 1. Find your niche. The first thing you need to do is choose your niche. This is crucial because it will determine the type of audience you attract. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Is there a specific skill you have that others want to learn? For example, you could write about fitness, self-improvement, finance, cooking, or even a niche hobby like gardening or digital marketing. The key here is to pick something you're knowledgeable about and that people are actively looking for solutions to. Do a little research on Google Trends, Amazon, or even social media to find what's trending. If you're solving a real problem or offering valuable information, you're on the right track. Part 3. Step 2. Create your ebook. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create your ebook. And don't worry, you don't need to write hundreds of pages. In fact, shorter books are often more popular because readers can get through them quickly. Here are some simple tips. Keep it focused. Choose a specific topic within your niche. Add value. Make sure you're providing real, actionable advice. Use a simple, conversational tone. You want your readers to feel like they're learning from a friend. Edit. It's essential to have a polished, professional-looking ebook. There are tools like Canva or Google Docs that make designing your ebook super easy. You can even hire freelancers on websites like Fiverr or Upwork to help with the design and formatting. For Step 3, publish and distribute. Now that your ebook is ready, it's time to publish. The good news is that platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP, Gumroad, or even your own website allow you to publish and sell your ebook with just a few clicks. Here's the deal. Amazon KDP is one of the most popular platforms because it has a massive audience, but it takes a small percentage of your sales. Gumroad allows you to sell directly to your audience, keeping a higher percentage of the profits. Your own website gives you complete control, but you'll need to drive your own traffic there. No matter which route you choose, make sure your ebook is available on multiple platforms to maximize your reach. Part 5. Step 4. Market your ebook. Now that your ebook is published, it's time to get the word out. The best way to do this is through digital marketing. Here are some strategies that really work. Social media. Create engaging posts. Use hashtags and share your ebook with your followers. Email marketing. If you have an email list, let your subscribers know about your new ebook. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers or bloggers in your niche to promote your ebook. Paid ads. If you have the budget, you can use Facebook or Instagram ads to target your ideal audience. SEO. Optimize your book's title and description for search engines so people searching for your topic can easily find it. Remember, the more exposure your ebook gets, the more money you'll make. Part 6. Step 5. scale your sales. As you start making sales, you can scale your business. Some ideas for scaling include: write more books. If one ebook is doing well, why not create a series or a part 2? Create an audiobook version. This can attract a new audience who prefers listening. Offer a course. Turn your ebook into an online course or a coaching program. The beauty of selling ebooks is that the more you build, the more income you can generate with little additional effort. So, there you have it. Making money by selling ebooks in 2025 is a fantastic opportunity, and with the right strategy, you can start earning from your knowledge and expertise in no time. Whether you're looking for passive income or building a full-time online business, ebooks are a great way to go. If you're ready to get started, I've got all the tips and tools you need to succeed. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.